Hey there, traders. Welcome to a brand new video where we're going to look into a new strategy. I'll also backtest it 100 times for you, so you'll get the idea if it's profitable or not. Keep in mind, for the long run, 100 backtests are not enough to tell you the bigger story about the strategy, but it will give you a lot of data anyway. We're going to use the Vumanchu Cipher B as our main indicator for the strategy. And we use 2 EMA lines to confirm the current trend. So let's add the indicators. If I go too fast, you can always pause the video or put in on slow motion. Type in Vumanchu and you'll see the indicator that we need. Next, we're going to add 2 EMA lines, so search for EMA. Press 2 times the moving average exponential indicator and you're all set and ready. Now, let's open the settings of the first EMA line. Change the input to 200 and in the style section we'll make the color red and the line a bit thicker. That's it. And for the second EMA line, we set the length to 50 and we change the color to blue and also we make the line a bit thicker. That's it for the 2 EMA lines. Now open the settings of the Vumanchu indicator. In the style section we want to disable the WT wave 1 because it generates less noise on the chart. Then we go to the Inputs tab and we deselect the following items. Again, if I go to fast, don't forget to pause the video. Now we're all set and ready to trade. For a short position, we need the following setup. First, the 2 EMA lines should have had a bearish cross like here. The blue line crossed underneath the red line, so the short-term trend lower than the long-term trend. Then, we're waiting for the price to go back into or touching the blue EMA. When that's the case like here, then we start looking for a trade with the Vumanchu indicator. So when the price goes back out of the blue line towards the downside, and the Vumanchu draws a red dot above the 0 line like here, that's where we can take an entry. You will have the best entries when the money flow index is also red like here. There can be maximum 1 candle delay for the Vumanchu draw a red dot. After the red dot and the candle is closed, we can take a short position. We set our stop loss above the last swing high, and our risk to reward is 1 to 1.5. After this profitable trade, we instantly get another signal after a short time. The price goes into the blue EMA again, and when it goes out, we had a red signal dot on 1 candle delay. So we also take a short position here with the stop loss above the last swing high. And again, a profitable trade. Now let me show you one long position. Here you see a golden cross happening where the blue lines goes above the red line. After that, we're looking for long positions, so we wait for the price to drop underneath or on the blue line like here. Then when the candle goes out of it again, and we get a green dot on the Vumanchu indicator underneath the 0 line, we're all set and we can take a long position. And again, we had 1 candle delay for the signal to happen, but's that fine. This trade also had the money flow index in the green, so the signal is nice and strong. That's basically the strategy for today. I'm going to backtest this 100 times for you and I'll come back with the results. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe if you want to see more strategies tested. The results are great for this strategy. It took me 32 days in fast replay to get a win rate of 67%. And the gain on account is a great 33%, and that is without any leverage. There is a big chance the strategy is a bit better on a 15-minute time frame because the target point and stop loss are pretty small. Overall, it's a really good strategy. I really hope to see you in the next video. Bye.